Shamila, good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon, Sharmila, Shruti, Vishal, Ashwin, Kanishka, Meronisa, Rahul. Okay, Ashwarya, good afternoon, beta. Hi, Sambar Dosa. Now look, beta. I think your name I forgot again. Yeah, I'm going to minimize the screen, beta. I was just writing the question. Now let's see what is there in the question. I'm just writing the part of the question only. Okay. Sorry. Okay, now I remember your name. No problem, it will be fine only. It will be fine only, don't worry, it will be fine. Don't worry, it will be fine. So now what is the question given to you is, the question is very, very simple. Just go back to the question that you have a telephone directory. Now in the telephone directory, it is in East Africa. Okay, but you have given the Samba dosa, that was cute. Fine. Okay, no problem. Let's go back to work. So now look here. On one page of telephone directory, there were 200 telephone numbers. So how many telephone numbers were there? Means you have a telephone directory. In that 200 different people phone numbers are there. So just start solving the question. Focus in that. A telephone directory is having, sorry for late, no Lokesh, you were late for one full period. Okay, now listen. So one telephone directory is there. In the telephone directory, exactly 200 different numbers are exactly stored of 200 different person. Fine. Now after that, they are telling the frequency distribution of the unit place that is given in the table 67890. So that means what? This is exactly a mobile number. Okay, no problem, beta. Now look here. Phone number is exactly there. Now in this phone number, like this 200 different phone numbers are there. But in that 200 different phone numbers, you have to check the unit digit. So what is the unit digit here? Can anybody tell me what is the unit digit of this phone number? What is the unit digit of this phone number? So what is the unit digit of this phone number? Can you tell me the unit digit of this phone number? Quickly say the unit digit of this phone number. What is the unit digit of this phone number? Vishal, I think it's not buffering right now. What is the unit digit of this phone number? Unit digit of this phone number. Come on, you can do it. Tell me fast. Unit digit of this phone number. Unit digit of this phone number, yeah. What is the unit digit? What is the first digit? Means from the last. That is called after Arab Kharab coming. Ayo, it's buffering. Wow, super. Super, super. So what is the unit digit coming? Ma'am and Berica is a name of a fruit in Tamil. Berica, ma'am and Berica is a name of a fruit in Tamil. A fruit is pear. Okay, fine. That is exactly very cute. Fine. So now look here. So the most important thing is कि now I'm asking one question and you are exactly giving me paper भेजेगा मुझे. Who copied my main name in India? Berika. Question paper भेजेगा. क्वेश्चन पेपर भेजो 10th बोर्ड का, मैं सॉल्व करती हूँ. ठीक है माइकल? Okay, Lokesh, 0. So now I think everyone now settled down. Now listen to me very nicely. The most important part is that when you are going to see the Naresh ma'am, that is Perica, not Berica. Oh, that fruit name is Perica, not Berica. In Tamil, my knowledge is like very less. Whatever you will say, I have to accept that. इस नंबर पे सेंड करो. लो इस नंबर पे सेंड करो, मगर मुझे नंबर डिलीट करना पड़ेगा. जल्दी नंबर ले लो. इस नंबर पे क्वेश्चन पेपर डालो व्हाट्सएप पे. ठीक है? सो नाउ लुक हियर बेटा, लुक हियर. ओके माइकल? ठीक है, ले लिया, डिलीट मारो. So now look here. Most important thing is कि when we are talking about a 10-digit phone number, so that 10-digit phone number, the first digit will be called as unit digit. In the 10-digit phone number, the first digit will be called as unit digit. Okay. So now I had no work one day, and what I did is I started checking that what is the unit digit of that phone number. So now 200 phone numbers I checked, and I just like many phone numbers were there where last digit was 0. So I started counting the phone numbers where the last or the unit digit was 0, and I checked that ki total 22 phone numbers were there where the last digit were exactly 0. Next, total last digit was 1, 26 phone numbers were there where last digit was 1. Then 22 phone numbers were there where last digit was 2. Then 22 phone numbers were there where last digit was 3. Then 20 phone numbers were there where last digit was 4. And 10 phone numbers were there where last digit was 5. Like this I start all, okay. That many times I kept a recording of that. Now I am going to start answering the question based on that. Now I am going to start answering the question. So total in dictionary, how many phone numbers were there? Oh, you are famous in India, huh? Super beta, super. Right guys? Yes, you are really famous. Now look here. The most important thing here is, you know, what is the sample space? The total. So the total sample space is coming as 200. The total sample space is coming how much? The total sample space is coming as 200. Now first part of the question is 6. So how many times in the unit place 6 digit is there? How many times? So event of getting 6. So event of getting 6 is how many times 6 will be there in the unit place? 14 times. So 14 by 200. It is going to come, because we know that probability is event by sample space. Probability is event by sample space. So event of getting 6 in the unit place, like a phone number was there and this phone number has 6 in the unit place. So 6 in the unit place is there. So how many times if I started 0.07. Now second is a non-zero multiple of 3. A non-zero multiple of 3. So second time if I have to check a non-zero multiple of 3, let's check it out. A non-zero multiple of 3. So which one is a non-zero multiple of 3? 3 itself is a non-zero multiple of 3. 6 is itself is a non-zero multiple of 3. 9 is a non-zero multiple of 3. So how many times in the unit place of a phone number 3 is coming, 6 is coming and 9 is coming? So event of getting a non-zero multiple of 3. E2 is event of getting a non-zero multiple of 3. So here it is going to be 22 plus 14 plus 20. So it is exactly going to come how much? 4 plus 2, 6. And here 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 5. So 56. So what is the probability of getting this? The probability of getting this is 56 by 200. 56 by 200. Come on, quickly tell me. It is going to be 56 by 200. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 1600. So it is exactly going to come as 0.28. 0.28. That is 28 by 100 is 0.28. 0.28. I hope you might have understood what you have to do here. How many times a non-zero digit which is divisible by 3 is coming in the unit place? So answer is 3 is coming in the unit place 22 times. 6 is also divisible by 6 is also divisible by 3. It is coming 14 times. And 9 is also divisible by 3. It is coming 20 times. So total answer is exactly going to come as 0.28. So answer is coming as 0.28 over it. Just 1 minute. It will be all right. Just 1 minute, Vishal. Now it's all right. It's all right. Okay. So now 2 is exactly a non-zero even number. 4 is a non-zero even number. 6 is a non-zero even number. And 8 is a non-zero even number. So probability of getting a non-zero even number 2240. Probability of getting a non-zero even number 22, 20, 14, 22, 20, 14, 22, 20, 14 and 16. 22, 20, 14 and 16. 22, 20, 14 and 16. I hope now it is all right. So now event of getting a non-zero even number in the unit place of a phone number. In the unit place of what? In the unit place of phone number. Then how many times it is exactly going to come? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 72 is coming. 72 is coming. I think now it is not buffering. So now it is going to come as 72 by 200. So it is going to be 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 100. So it is going to come as 0.36. So probability of getting a non-zero even number. Probability of getting a non-zero even number probability of getting a non-zero even number, Ashwin, probability of, why you are disturbing Anna? So an odd number. So what is the probability of getting an odd number? So probability of an event of getting an odd number. So which numbers are odd? First is 1 is an odd number and 1 is coming how many times? 26 times. The 1 digit is coming 26 times. Yeah, don't worry. 1 is an odd number 10 times, 7 is an odd number, it is coming 28 times, and 9 is an odd number, it is coming 20 times. 9 is an odd number, it is coming 20 times. So it is 8 to 10, 10, 6, 16, and here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 106 is coming. So now what is the probability of getting event 4? Probability of getting event 4 is 0.53. Yes, 53 by 100, that is 0.53. 53 by 100, that is 0.53. 53 by 100, that is going to be 0.53. So this question easy, understood nicely? This question easy, understood beta? Come on, quickly tell me you understood this question. Easy question, na? Shall we go for next question? Shall we go for next question? Next question is, now let's see the question out. Following frequency distribution for weight of 38 students of a class. Now is it okay? Is it okay? It will be okay, don't worry. It will be okay. Up to 60 enough. It's not like that, beta. Now understand that. Keep following frequency distribution given the weight of 30 student of class. So find the probability that weight of a student in the classes will be having more weight. Some people will be having less weight. So now we cannot do anything for that. That is genetical. So find the probability that weight of the student in a class is weight of the student in a class is, find the probability that weight of the student in a class is at most 60 kg. At most 60 kg, this is one part. Second is at least 36 kg. At least 36 kg. Third part, not more than 50 kg. not more than 50 kg, not more than 50 kg, not more than 50 kg. So now the most important thing is total how many children are there in the class. So they have given the number of children in the class is 38. The number of children in the class is exactly how many? The number of children in the class is 38. Fine. So now next important thing is the number of children in the class is 38. Okay, the number of children in the class is 38. So that means sample space is going to be 38. So sample space came 38. Now at most 60 kg means 60 kg and less than that means how many children have weight 60 kg and less than that. At most 60 kg means how many children are having weight 60 kg and less than that. How many children are having weight 60 kg and less than that? Having weight 60 kg and less than that. How many children are having weight 60 kg and less than that? 60 kg and less than that. How many children are having weight 60 kg and less than that? So let's see first. So now 60 kg is this one. So 60 and less. So 60 and less means I am just underlining that one. 60 and less. So for 60 and less I will go for 2, 1, 3, 14, 5 and 19. So number of children. So event of getting weight exactly less than 60 kg. At most 60 kg means 60 kg and less than that. At most 60 kg means 60 kg and less than that. So it is going to come as 9 plus 5 plus 14 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. So these many children weight are exactly coming from 31 to 60 kg. So probability of getting event 1 is coming as 9 plus 5 is 9 plus 14, 14, 14, 28, 28, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6, 34. So it is exactly going to be 34 by 38. 34 by 38. 34 by 38 absolutely correct answer. 34 by 38 is the correct answer beta. 34 by 38. Shall we go for the next one? At least 36 kg. At least 36 kg. When somebody will be telling you the weight will be at least 36 kg means here what does that means? Weight will be at least 36 kg means 36 and above. So it is going to be 5. 36 kg, at least 36 kg means 36 and above. At least 36 means 36 and above. So now we can write whatever ages are there, event of getting the weight of the children who is exactly 36 and above. So from 36 and above we have to start counting. 5 will be there, 14 will be there. Okay, 5, 14, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1 and 1. So total how much is coming? 5, 14, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. So total probability of getting event 2 will be 19, 19, 20, 23, 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 29 by 38. Yes, Kavya, yes beta, I am going to have class with you all. I am going to have class with you all. Kavya, can you send the information that I will be like in 10 minutes I am going to start the class. Okay. Okay, in 10 minutes I am going to start the class because some network issue was there. Because of that only class 9th class started late. So only beta in 10 minutes I am going to start your class. Okay Kavya, send the information in the group beta. I am going to start your class in 10 minutes. Just not more than 50 kg. Now this is Ekta's point. Auntie, why it should be more than 60 kg? So that person is going to say that not more than, and today class is very important Kavya, inform everyone. Not more than 60 kg. So when we are not more than 50 kg means 50 and less. So 50 and less will be means 9 will be there, 5 will be there, 14 will be there, 3 will be there. 9, 5, 14, 3. 9, 5, 31 by 38. Let's see, any one of you got the answer? Yes, probability of getting, subtract 9. Yes beta, probability of getting event 3 is 31 by 38. I hope my children understood. Probability of getting event is 31 by 38. What is the probability of getting event? The probability of getting event is 31 by 38 beta. Probability of getting event is 31 by 38. Shall we go back to the next question? Now next question, what they are telling that, ready everyone? Yes, absolutely correct beta. Following table shows the birth month of 40 students. Following table shows the birth month of 40 students. Birth month of 40 students. So beta means at which month the children have been. Yes Karthika, I am going to start your class beta. Just network issue was there, so only I started their class late beta. Just 2 minutes. Your PDF is ready, everything is ready. Once I'll finish their class, immediately I'll start your class. Okay, just last question beta. The birth month of following time shows the birth month of 40 student in class 9th. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So these are the following beta. हाँ Karthika. Yes beta, I'm going to start Karthika. Just one last question beta. So now in January, 3 students out of 40, 3 students were born, means they are having happy birthday on January, February, March, April, May month 5, super. June 1 only, July 2, okay, August 5, September 3, October 4, November 4, December 4. October, November, December is also 4. So these are exactly the birth, means these children exactly took birth in January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So now the first part of the question is, find the probability that a student August 2nd, the month having least days, the months having highest days, the month having consecutive 31 days, the months having consecutive 31 days. So like this question is given to you, the months having consecutive 31 days. So shall we go for the question please? Now the first part of the question is, first we are going to see that how many children are exactly we are going to check. So we are going to check for 40 students. So total 40 students are going to go for this. Now following table shows the birth month of 40 students. Now first, the children are born in August. So event of getting those number of children who are born in August. So the number of children who are born in August, so August month born is 5. So probability of getting this is 5 by 40, that is 1 by 8. First one is done. Very good, Ashwin. So first one is 5 by 40, that is 1 by 8. Now second one, Second one, B, the month having least day. So which month is exactly having least days, beta? Which month is exactly having least days? Which month is exactly having least days? Which month is exactly having least days? Correct only. Which month is exactly having least days? February month is having least days. So February month, event when the child is born in February month is 4. So it is going to be 440, that is 1. March, April, May, June. So which month is exactly having highest days? Shall we start? Which month is exactly having highest days? Now come on, start with which month is having highest days? Means January 31. January 31. So January, March, May, July, August, October, December. So these months are there when highest days are there, means 31 days are there. Highest days means 31 days. So we will start adding in January month. How many children are born? 3, March 2, then May 5, July 2, August 5, October 4, December 4. So total probability of getting event 3 will be 5, 5, 10, 2, 12, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 25. So probability of getting event. So the month where exactly 31, consecutive 31. So the month where just go like that. The month where means maximum days. So maximum days means it will be beta January, then March, then May, then July, then August, then October and December. Then October and December. These are the months where absolutely correct, beta. Shall we go for the last one? The month having consecutive 31 days. So which event of getting the month where consecutive 31 days are there? Can you tell me which 2 month consecutive 31 days are there? Consecutive means one after the other. Which months are exactly having consecutive 31 days are there? So consecutive 31 days are exactly present in month July and August. So you have to add the event for July and August. 2 and 5, 7. So probability of getting that is 7 by 40. Probability of getting that is, yes beta. Jan and December means new year starting. Shruti, don't I add Jan and December? Consecutive. Okay, consecutive if you want to go,